Yo guys, Jonathan here, and it's been a while since I've done a What's in My Tech Bag, and being on the road right now, I figured it'd be the perfect time for an update. Also, quick shout out if you're not following me on Instagram, got a chance to win a really sick pair of kicks from Puma, and details on that are down below. So first up, the bag. The backpack, the most important part of a What's in My Bag. This is the Air Tech Pack, which might be the craziest tech backpack I've ever seen. The amount of stuff you can jam inside this is insane. By no means am I maximizing the potential with this. There are compartments and ports and slots for days. It's small, but I love the fact that this has a dedicated slot for a water bottle. Shout out to Bobby Boucher. And then on the flip side, you have this convenient zippered pouch that you can use for smaller things like earbuds, SD cards, things you want quick access to but don't want to worry about losing. Now, this is by no means a normal thing, but for this trip, I have two MacBook Pros, a 13-inch and then a 15-inch. And this is really more so to do with the fact that I'm trying to get as much testing as possible. So for those looking for a 13-inch MacBook Pro video, that is dropping very soon. They are equipped with beautiful dbrand skins, and to be 100% transparent, I am partnered with dbrand, so if you want to support the channel and pick up some sick skins, make sure you guys check out the links below. Next from there, got a little bag section going on. This actually isn't from Air, but rather Incipio. It's minimal, simple, not really branded at all, so it blends in perfectly. This is what I use to keep some of the smaller things grouped together. Yes, there are slots and compartments within the backpack, but for things like hard drives and SD cards, this is what I prefer. Now, as far as what's inside this pouch, I got a couple external SSDs. One is a 2TB T5 SSD from Samsung. I've used this forever. It works fantastic. I have zero complaints. And then recently, I just picked up this one from G Drive, which looks awesome. It's tiny, it's compact. I'm sure it performs great, but I definitely want to see how it stacks up side by side against the T5. Now, these are a pretty inexpensive pair of in-ear monitoring headphones, and the main purpose of these is to edit on the go, especially on a plane, because they do a much better job of isolating the sound. And as a bonus, because they're so small, it allows me to bring a bigger pair of wireless headphones like these. So the wireless Sony Here Online is one of my absolute favorites, and this is no different. I freaking love this color. It's super smooth. The noise cancellation is great. The sound quality is amazing. And smaller things like touch controls on the side of the ear cups kind of really bring the entire experience together. I know a lot of people out there really have Bose close to their heart, but if you travel a lot, definitely check these out from Sony. Next from there, I got an external battery bank from Anker. This is actually the officially licensed Nintendo Switch version, so if you own a Switch, this is probably the best battery bank you can buy. My dude Kevin Kenson actually did an entire video on this and how it works with the Switch. If you want to check that out, I will drop a link down below. For me though, it's built well, it's compact but packs a ton of charge, and more importantly has USB-C. Now, I've used the Hutu USB-C adapter forever and it's worked great, zero complaints, but this time I kind of wanted to mix it up a bit, so this is from OWC. It's built well and more importantly comes in space gray, which I picked up here. It does come in a couple other colors. It gives you dual USB-A ports, an extra USB-C port, SD, and then finally an HDMI port, which Apple refuses to bring back to the MacBook Pro. Next from there is the JBL Clip 3, which is this tiny, compact, really cool little Bluetooth speaker. The main reason I picked this up is because the color kind of jumped at me. I really liked it, so I scooped this up at Best Buy. Like the name implies, you can clip or hang this guy pretty much anywhere, and that combined with the fact that it sounds really good for its size makes it a great option to take on the go. Now, something in my bag that you're not seeing right now because it's being used to record this video is the Sony a7 III, which is amazing. Honestly, for the money, it is the best camera you can buy right now, if you can find it. I'm using it with a Zeiss Batis 25mm lens, and this on a full frame camera like the a7 III is ridiculous. Now, paired with that is Sony's 85mm G Master lens, which is like unfair good. It's probably my favorite lens to use with this camera. That focal length, again, with a full frame camera and that kind of depth is beautiful. This lens with 120 FPS slow motion on the a7 III gets you some ridiculous shots. Like, I can't even tell you how good it is. Of course, if you do photography, it's going to be equally as awesome there. Essentially, whether you're looking to upgrade your camera for photos or for video, don't sleep on the Sony a7 III. I cannot recommend this enough. Now, as far as what I'm using to light everything, I have the Aperture 120D paired with the Light Dome softbox. This has kind of become the go-to YouTuber light, essentially the equivalent of the Sigma 18-35. I'm definitely not able to fit this in my backpack, but it does actually break down nice enough to where I can fit it in a suitcase and then check it, and that gives me the ultimate little recording rig on the road. Also, if this space looks great, huge shout out to Coop, aka Morgan Cooper, for letting me shoot here in Kansas City this week. He actually just dropped his Patreon where he goes over really in-depth kind of personal tips, techniques on lighting, cinematography. Honestly, he is one of the most talented dudes I've met and someone that I've learned more than anything from. That link, of course, is down below. It is well worth checking out. I'll also include everything I featured in this video down below as well. Thank you guys very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did and you are feeling like being awesome, make sure you guys go waterboard on that like button. This is Jonathan, and I will catch you guys later.